The purpose of this tutorial is to give a demonstration that the three interior angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. And I also put the word plane here because we're talking about a triangle drawn on a flat surface, as opposed to, for example, a triangle drawn on the surface of the earth or a basketball or some kind of sphere. Okay, so we're just talking about a triangle on a flat surface. And what I've done in this application here, this is called Geometry Sketchpad, is I've measured the three angles. So ABC goes ABC, so you might refer to that as angle B. BAC goes BAC, so that's the angle A up here. Notice the middle character in that BAC is A. And ACB would be this angle over here. And notice that I'm going to bring my graphing calculator over here. If I add those three angles up, they all add up to 180 degrees. So let's get rid of the calculator. Now, so if I distort this, for example, I'm changing the angles here some. So notice that, okay, now I've got 52 and 93 and 35. Oh, did I add one up wrong? Did 36, not 35. Adds up to 180 degrees. Now I can actually in this application go measure and I can calculate. And so what I'm going to do in my calculator here is I'm going to go this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Okay, so there's an expression for the three angles. And notice if I distort this, it's always 180 degrees. It doesn't matter. There's my 46 there now. How I distort them, it never changes. You can see the angles changing. For example, you see the sum of these two is 52 and 90 is 142. And if I distort this a little bit, okay, so 46 and 92 instead are now adding up to 138. Okay, but when we add the third one together, it's still 180 degrees no matter where you are. Okay, so I can distort this as much as I want, but that sum is always 180 degrees. Now that's not a proof. In order for it to be a proof, I'd have to demonstrate this for every possible triangle that could ever be drawn. That would be a proof. But this is a pretty good demonstration that the three angles do always add up to 180 degrees. And that's the end of the tutorial.